Hello students. In last lecture, we continued with the different cell organelles which are present in the cytoplasm. Now today we will do simple structure both. We have done with the cell organelles which are present in both the plant and animals. So today we will do the generalized cell structure, the plant and the animal cell. And animal cell. Now see what we'll do. We have done with the different organelles. So now, as we have studied the organelles, we will draw the rough diagram of both the plant and the animal cell. This way you will be able to get the idea that which organelles and what are the differences between the plant and the animal cell. Like if I am drawing the plant cell, it has pits also in between. You can just form these pits. Then various vacuoles are present in plant cell. Nucleus present with nucleoid. Granules present. Then Golgi complex. Stack-like structure. Hai? Then we can make the ER. ER. And if ribosomes are present on it, then it will be rough ER. Then which are mitochondria. Cristae inside. And if it is a plant cell, then chloroplast inside. Grana इसके अंदर होता है. अब let's make a animal cell also. Cell membrane. Then we have nucleus with the nucleoid, chromatin fibers. Then with continuation with the cell membrane, we have ER. Again, I am saying if ribosome is present inside, not on the surface, then it is rough. Is a nuclear membrane. Then mitochondria. Like this. Then we have Golgi complex or Golgi body. Like this. Now cytoplasm. And small granules. So let's label it out. Okay. Make the outline here. See, अगर आप लोगों को organelles के नाम पता है, उसके basic functions याद हो गए हैं, then you will be able to differentiate both the things. ये important है. इस chapter का main है what is the plant cell, what is the animal cell, what is the difference between them, and various functions of the different organelles. Now see, now if we start marking it out, here is the cell wall and the cell wall is outside the cell membrane. Cell membrane. Then is the cell wall. We know cell wall is present in the प्लांट सेल होगी. देन वैक्यूल, mitochondria. Mitochondria is present here also, so we can make it here like this. Crystal inside. Powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria. Powerhouse, it means all the ATP the formation होता है in the form stored, वो mitochondria में होता है. Then we have ER, endoplasmic reticulum. I can make it here, mark it here. Then Golgi complex or Golgi body. इसका Golgi body क्या? I am making it so that Golgi body, see, ER with the continuation with the membrane. So transportation में, secretion में, lipid, proteins, okay, factories. Ribosome is present on it, and this endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosome का main काम usually during the DNA replication, protein synthesis में, amino acid formation. Okay, so ER का function ही ऐसे. Golgi bodies vesicle tubules form करते हैं in regular with the ER. So इसका भी basically function secretory function होता है. Then we have mitochondria हो गया, gas vacuole हमने कर लिया. Then nucleus की बात कर लेते हैं अब. Nucleus कुछ इस तरह से, I'll separate it out. This nuclear membrane. Inside is the nucleoid. Then nucleoplasm. Same here, nucleus here and nucleoid inside. So now I think so it is very much clear. Yes, one more thing. Animal cell, we have centrosome here. Astral bodies formation jyoti. I can make it like this. Present in the animal cell. There is one difference. ये हो गया एक difference. The cell wall is present. Plant cell. So from here it is very much clear that which organelle is present here, which is here, and various organelles which is present inside the animal and the plants. I think so. It is clear now. And animals may usually the cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is usually denser. Cytoplasm is denser here. Okay, and it is not very much denser, but it is granular. Cytoplasm is granule. It means there are many granules are present, like granules, starch granules. Yes, one more thing here. It has chloroplast. The plant cell has the chloroplast. We all know chloroplast help in the photosynthesis process. So from I think so it is clear the plant and the animal cell. Now we can compare it with the bacterial cell. See now what is the bacterial cell coming it out? Bacterial cell का कोई proper nucleus नहीं होता है. It has a genetic material which help in replication, that is called as plasmid. Okay, then cytoplasm present here. In particular, glycogen granules are present. It has flagellum sensory function जो होगा. Again the membrane. Chromosome are free है. वहां पे क्या था, chromosome and chromatin fibers are inside the nucleus. It is here, and the pore is here. Pores are also there, nuclear pore here in eukaryotes. Okay, so it can come out an egg. Then here it is open, single stranded chromosome, single stranded circular DNA present होता है chromosome. In bacterial cell की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. And here the plasma membrane is actually enfolded to form mesosome. Now, what is a mesosome? Mesosome is just an function in the bacterial cell, in the DNA replication, in the protein formation, in the cell wall formation, increase the surface area of the cell wall. So यहाँ पे mesosome extra है. And now I'm comparing it here only bacterial cell, because now the next topic is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. I have compared here only because it will be easier now to compare the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. See, we have the animals. Prokaryotes means which are primitive ones. Primitive, old. कोई well defined nucleus नहीं होगा, कोई well defined कोई membrane नहीं होगा. Okay, and eukaryotes are highly complex organisms. High degree of development हुआ है as plants and animals. Then prokaryotes में example क्या होंगे prokaryotes के? Bacteria, Proteollum, Rickettsia, Spirochete. आपने नहीं सुना हुआ इन सब के बारे में, but yes, extra knowledge होनी चाहिए. Then prokaryotes are usually smaller in size as compared to eukaryotes. Eukaryotes का एक particular shape होता है, तो जैसे भी increase होगा, भले human body हो या animal की. But prokaryotes does not have any kind of, it has a variety of shapes and sizes as in bacteria cell की अगर आप देखते हैं. So ये एक general आपके, you have just an introduction of this prokaryote and eukaryotes. So from this structure से भी आपको clear हो जाएगा, nucleus से आपको clear हो जाएगा. Okay, which is present and free, which is present. Then very if it is present, then only small ribosomes are present. अब यहाँ पे if the chromosome is free, it means the ribosomes are very few in number and very small in number as compared to the eukaryote, which have the larger number of or large ribosomes. Then single circular DNA is present here, which is free in the cytoplasm. Yes, and here we have a double, several length या फिर तो बोलते हैं double member, double length or lengthwise it is of several length, the genetic material length ज़्यादा होगी around the protein, that is nucleus. Okay, and one more thing, they multiply repeatedly. Bacteria होते हैं ना, they multiply rapidly, but eukaryotes have a particular time length. So from here, I think so it is clear the difference between the prokaryotes, animal cell and plant cell. Okay, now we come to the next one, that is बड़ा common सा topic है, कोई बड़ा अब आपका वो नहीं है. First, let me know what is the difference between cytoplasm and protoplasm. आपकी बुक में again ये term भी use हो रहा है, as well as different diagrams are given again. So what is the difference between cytoplasm and the protoplasm? If not, then cytoplasm means, cyto means cell, and plasm we all know means the fluid part or the liquid jelly wala part. So cytoplasm consists of the cytosol, जो liquid material होगा cell का, cytosol, plus the cell organelles which are present, जो भी organelles हो in between present है. Yes, ER, mitochondria, इनकी बात कर रही है, cell organelles. Now, what is a protoplasm? Protoplasm is again a liquid part, but it consists of cytosol together with cell organelle as well as nucleus. Okay. So all the biological and the chemical activities take place. हम cytoplasm की बात करते हैं तो हम usually बोलते हैं chemical activities take place there. But in protoplasm, usually biological का nucleus से related है, chromosome, genetic material. ठीक है? So the biological and the chemical activities both take place here. और प्रोटोप्लाज्म का यूजुअली जो साइटोप्लाज्म है दैट इज फुली फिल्ड इन द सेल, और प्रोटोप्लाज्म होगा माइट बी एक कंडेंस एक स्पेसिफिक जगह या न्यूक्लियस के अंदर या न्यूक्लियस के आसपास में प्रेजेंट होगा. देन जो भी साइटोप्लाज्म का यूजुअली फंक्शन क्या होगा, इट गिव्स द शेप टू द पर्टिकुलर सेल. अब जैसे वाटर है, वाटर कंटेंट एक ग्लास में होगा तो क्या होगा, वाटर का शेप वैसे होगा. वैसे ही साइटोप्लाज्म में प्रेजेंट है, गिव द शेप टू द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. It helps in the cell respiration. It helps in the breathing process. Okay, and specifically in eukaryotes, protoplasm जो होता है वो nucleus के आसपास होता है. It means that it surrounds nucleus, and when it is inside the nucleus, the name changes. That is called as the nuclear plasm. ये difference clear हो गया cytoplasm का and nuclear plasm का. So now every activity in your body, it takes place with the any activity of the cell itself. मतलब any kind of a cellular activity which is taking place inside will be with the help of the cells only. Cells का growth का depend करेगा, cells के division पे depend करेगा. It all depends upon the cell division process. क्या वो cell division process full हुआ है, less हुआ है, in between हुआ है. So starting with the growth, कोई भी टॉपिक, ग्रोथ में सेल डिवाइड हो रहा है, सेल डिवीजन प्रोसेस हो रहा है, डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. ओके, देन सेकंड रिपेयर मैकेनिज्म, स्किन रिपेयर हो रही है, वुंड रिपेयर हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज बाय द सेलुलर एक्टिविटीज दैट द सेल डिवीजन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. देन मूवमेंट, मसल्स इज मूविंग, मसल्स अगेन दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द सेल्स, longer cells because they are longer, fibrillar, flexible. So उनका इनबिल्ड भी ऐसे ही हुआ, that is that they are muscular cells, longer cells है so that they can move, muscles आपस में movement कर सके. So then circulation of blood body के अंदर by the heart itself. So what is happening, by the arteries and veins, they are contracting, they are systoling, diastole formation हो रहा है. तो what is there, जो भी outline है, that is the cell activity. Cell, given what kind of a nature of the cell it is, so it is acting according to its function there. Then whatever we see, we hear, we smell, all is been sensed by the brain cells. अगर आपको याद होगा, आपकी ब्रेन में आपने जनरली पढ़ा होगा, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं बॉडी के, वो all are having a specific points in your brain section. cerebellum, cerebrum, medulla oblongata, memory unit अलग होता है हमारा, breathing section अलग होता है. So what that particular cell are giving the particular function so that they can work according to it. Then all the organism produce young ones, they are producing. You nature किसका हुआ, chromosome का हुआ. यहाँ पे chromosome is changing it out. We all know that we all are similar with the DNA, but only 1 to 2% might be different, so that our features are making us different from each other. DNA, this fingerprinting से we find it out that what is the difference. VNTRs बोलते हैं उसको, variable number of tandem repeats, जो इस तरह से हमें एक SDS पेज मिलता है जिससे हम सिमिलर करते हैं कि पेरेंट और मदर में कितना कौन कौन से DNA या जो स्ट्रेन्स आ रहे हैं वो सिमिलर होंगे. So this is actually the chapter about the your cell organelles, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, then plant cell or animal cell, they are different from the bacterial cells, and what are the different main, actually what is the conclusion of this? You should know the function of different organelles, you should know the cell membrane and the cell wall part, and you should know the pro and eukaryotics. Baki nothing is very much koi complex nahi hai, you have read this before also. If you go through this organelles, their function, again अभी तक तो मेरे ख्याल से from starting from the 6th standard अभी तक तो आपको basics जिसको बोलते हैं, this is actually the basics. If you are not clear till now that this is the function of this organelle, it means that you are not able to understand the chapter. So any kind of a thing you want to ask, please do comment, or just some have the number also, you can just ask me there. Anything to discuss more, we can go with the other chapter also. So till here, thank you. Do watch this video